Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete scheduled recordings on YouTube TV. Have you ever scheduled a recording on YouTube TV, then changed your mind? Maybe you're no longer interested in the show, or you accidentally scheduled it twice. Whatever the reason, deleting a scheduled recording is super easy. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove any unwanted scheduled recordings from your YouTube TV library, freeing up space and keeping your library organized. We'll cover both how to do it on your TV and on your mobile device. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Deleting scheduled recordings on your TV. Okay, so let's start with how to delete scheduled recordings on your TV. 1. Navigate to your library asterisk first. Using your remote, navigate to the Library tab in the YouTube TV interface. It's usually located in the main menu, often on the left-hand side of the screen. 2. Find Scheduled, asterisk once in your library, look for the Scheduled section. This is where all your upcoming and scheduled recordings live. 3. Select the show asterisk browse through your scheduled recordings and select the show you want to remove from your schedule. 4. Cancel recording asterisk after selecting the show, you'll see an option that says something like Recording Options, or the name of the show with a checkmark next to it, indicating that it's scheduled. Select that. Then you should see an option to cancel recording or remove. Click on that. 5. Confirm removal asterisk YouTube TV might ask you to confirm that you want to cancel the recording. If so, select Confirm or Remove to finalize the process. And that's it. The show will now be removed from your scheduled recordings. Repeat this process for any other recordings you want to delete. Section 2. Deleting scheduled recordings on your mobile device. Now, let's move on to how to delete scheduled recordings using the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. The process is very similar. 1. Open the YouTube TV app asterisk. Open the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Tap Library, asterisk. Tap the library icon at the bottom of the screen. 3. Tap Scheduled, asterisk in your library. Find and tap the Scheduled section. 4. Select the show asterisk. Scroll through your list of scheduled recordings and tap on the show you want to delete. 5. Toggle the recording asterisk. Tap the toggle switch or button next to the show's name. This will likely have a check mark indicating it's scheduled. Tapping it will toggle it off, effectively canceling the recording. It might also present a prompt to cancel recording. Tap to confirm. 6. Confirm removal. If prompted, if you see a confirmation prompt, tap Confirm or Remove to finalize the cancellation. Just like that, you've successfully deleted a scheduled recording from your mobile device.
Asterisco asterisco, outro, asterisco asterisco.
So there you have it. Deleting scheduled recordings on YouTube TV is a breeze, whether you're using your TV or your mobile device. Hopefully, this quick tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. And again, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.